Haka jingkran ban ningkong jong MP ka Shillong Parliamentary Seat u Dr. Ricky Singkon men haka shitarik u naitung. Ulas dang ka jingkran jong u da ka baong. Amdon ka bamla haublay nangta sedang na u Solomon bat penkut da ka jingkran u Prophet Nehemiah. Ulas lai tili kimat pan pensngau sya u chairman jong ka Lok Sabha. Ula penkut ka jingkran jong u da ka baong yaki kentien u Prophet Nehemiah. Yang ngin sedang bantai. Ngin sedang bantai da ka babu syadin ya ka jing sngau parti nejat benriu ban kentiu ya kari. Tungin sngap ya ki jingkran jong u. Kublai shibun shongkonor badon buram bapila aila yang ban shim benta hakane ka motion of thanks halor ka jingkran jong i president. Kalong da ka jingkeman ka bakrau bangayeng hangni na ka benta uwei pa uwei bat ka wei pa ka mensim jong kinong kershan ya ka shuki parliamentary Shillong ki bala kershan yang bat ki bala penla yang ban yeng hakani ka yeng ka bakrau bat ban kren ya ki katu kat ni kimat. Watla kalajan haka kenta ka bakhadu jong kasni.
Mr. Chairman,
Shongkonor ngasikwa ban penken mau yaki dekot jong kanika yeng Lok Sabha ka bakhat khra badru yaki wei pat kipat ba jong kanika ri ba amdon ke ka bamla bat ublei bale nga ongkum ni dei na marba nga dei na ka wei ka parti ka ba nila sedang tangkum ba lais nam menshua bar ka dei ka parti ka balaya khun yaki election klem pisa ka parti ka bayale persya ya ka bamsap ka parti ka bayeng na kabanta ka san perthei ka bakhoi ha ka jing senshar bat ka jing long hok bat na ka banta banyada ya ka hok joki trai muluk bat ru ban penne ya ka riti senshar jong ka ni ka jai penreu da ka constitution ka bakrau ban penti kena ya ka jing long senshar jong ka jai penreu ka bakrau jong ni kin jom
pluralism, federalism, that these the tenets of our great nation prevail. So, King Solomon, the great,
Solomon
said these
bakrau
words,
uong yakini ki kentien.
that a nation
Baka
without a
jat
vision
benriu
will
klem
perish.
ka jing yoi kan jot no.
Well,
Ngalas ngau kemen shibun ban
I
yo
was
ngau yaki
very
kentien
delighted
naga
to
benta
hear the
kalawai
words
ki kentien
futuristic,
vision haka jing keren
the
jong
words
presiden
vision
badon buram
in the
kadba
address by
ngadang yaisha
the
ban
Honorable
up bat
President.
perkhat ke kalawai ke
While
ke
I was
badon haka
patiently
jing yo
waiting
jong ka
for,
jing keren jong i presiden kum
what
UMP
is
ban ningkong.
the future, what is there in the vision of the President's address? As a first-time MP,
Ngarang sengap jar ban sengap shanu
listening
ke sorkar
patiently
kan ra ya kajat
to
benriu
hear
kumnu ke sorkar kan ra
the government
Henry
will
ngosi
take the nation,
bangam syam layo shibun
government will
latang
take it.
ke jingkran halor
But
ke jingjab ke
unfortunately,
baka sorkar ba menta
I did
kaladab
not get
badru
much
hakipor baladab.
except for the achievement that the government in the past has accomplished. Well, I wish that the government
Tinga kwa baka sorkar
more
kan
explicit
kamshai haka jing persang jongka kat ba ka kedau ya ka jing suk haka than syate lam
While
mingi
mentioning the
kumbala
lasting
tho
peace
haka
in
jing
the
kren jong i
Northeast,
presiden
as
ngakwa ban pen ken mau ya ka sorkar jong kan
spelled
ka
out
por
in the
bat kumju ya ka
presidential
sorkar
address,
jong ki por bala
I
letno
would like to remind
balaya
the
lam
government
da
of
ka
the day
sorkar kongres
and also the government of the past, led by the Congress government, that our people,
baki
my
beriu
people,
jongi ki beriu jonga
living
ki
especially
basa
in the
khamtam
border
ha
with
khaput
Assam,
bat ha Assam
in the border
ha
with
khaput bat ka Bangladesh
I tell you
ngaya
here
thu
today,
ipi
they
hadu
don't
kini
feel
kisngi
safe at all.
kim sngo shngan satya kisngo
They
baki don
feel very
ha kajingma
threatened.
ka bakrau bar ka basnosi
And what is
shu
even
shu
sad is
kalong
that
bala shimno ya ka
the
jaka
lands have been
puta
taken away
bat
from
kiladu
them.
ya ka
They've
jing
lost
im
their
jongki
livelihood.
bale
Why? Because of
namar
the
ka jing
failure
bamla jongki sorkar
of
ban
subsequent
penbet ya kani ka
government
jingale ka
to
baladon
settle
labun bun
this
snam
dispute, which has been there for many, many years. We talk about
Ni kren
development
shapang
of the
karoi
nation.
kapa jong kajat penriu da kaba shania
That
ha
is
karoi kapa
dependent
jong ki jela
on the development of the
kadba
state.
kaba
That is
wat umentri
even our
rangba badon
Honorable
burom
Prime
jongi
Minister
ula
said
ong
these
yakini ki
words.
kentien
How
menta
can
kumnu
we
ngin
talk
kren
of
shapang karoi
development
kapa habaki breu
when
hadu kini kisngi
people
hadu kani ka klip mat
till
hi ki
today,
im
till
ha ka
this
jing
very
tieng
moment,
ki kwa ya
are
ka jing suk
yearning for peace? I therefore urge the government,
kumta nga kentu ya ka
kindly take
sorkar
up this
bakan snow
matter
bhaban shim
seriously.
khya ya kani ka kam
And
bat
I
nga
wish
kitbok
and I hope
bat nga
that
kermen Bau menteri
Prime
rang ba
Minister
hi un
himself
shim khia ban penkut no ya kani kamat kabala sakut
putting
slam
an end
na ka banta
to
ka
this
jingmentoy
long
jong ka jai
pending
benrio
issue
ba kraw jongi
in the
ha ka
interests
jinglong
of our
kelung
great
ba na ka
nation
banta ka
in
jingmentoy
general
jong ki brio
and in the
jonga
interests
khamtam
of
ki
my
tu ki
people,
basa ha ki than
especially
khaput
those living in the border areas.
Shongknor badan buram dan ka jing ong
there's a
kabaret
saying that small is
kalong
beautiful.
kaba itnat bha ngas ngau
Well, I
sarong
am
ban
proud
yeng hangni ban mi
to
khmat
stand
ya
here
ka
to
wei na ki jai
represent
ban riu ki ba
one of the
itnat tam
most
ki ba
beautiful
shong ha
people
ka banta ka ba jingai
living
tam ha ka banta
in the
ba sha
far
phang sha te lam mi ngi
part
jong
of the
kari
eastern part
kani
of
ka jai
this
ban riu ka
great
ba
nation
kraw ka ba ki
called the
khot
Khasis.
ki khasi badru
And
ki ba wan na ka
also
wei na ki jai ban riu ka
coming
ba
from one of
itnat
the
tam
most beautiful
ha ki
places on
jaka
earth.
ha ka perthai
Mr. Chairman,
Shongknor badan
urge
buram
and I call
nga
upon the
kentu bat nga
governments
khot ru ya ka sorkar
also the
bat ru
members
ya ki de
of
khot
this
jong kani ka
august
yeng
house
badan buram bakin don
to
benta
play
ban penriu spa bat kentiu ya ka
role
kolshor jong ka jai
in
penriu
enriching
jonga khamtam habang ya
and
kran ya ka
promoting
kolshor ka ktien ka
the
dei ka
culture
wei na
of
ki
my
benta ba
people,
kongsan
especially when we talk of culture, language is one of the important elements. For many years, we've been
la bun snam ni la
demanding
dawa ban penrung ya ka
for the
ktien
inclusion
khasi ha ka
of the
khernet ka
Khasi
ba pra
language
jong ka riti
in the
senshar
8th
ka ri
schedule.
nga kermen da
I
ka jing
hope
kershan
with
jo
the
ki de
support
khot
of members
ba ha ka wei ka sngi
that
kumba ngadang shong
one
hang
day,
ni nadu ka
just
sngi ka
like
ban ningkong
while I
ban
was
yo
sitting
sngo
here,
ya ki paralok
from
jongi
day
bagi
one,
kran ya la ki jong ka
hearing
ktien ka nu nga
friends
kwa
speaking
ba ha
their
ka wei
own
ka sngi
language.
shen ba phiru pinyo ban yo
How I
sngo
wish
ya ka
that
ktien ba
one
nga
day,
kran ya ka ktien
very
khasi
soon,
ba nga kermen ba
that
ka sorkar
you
ki de
will
khot
also
ha yang
get to
persha
hear
kin kershan ya ka
the
ni ka jing
language
penrung
that I
ya ka
speak,
ktien khasi
the
ha ka
Khasi
khernet
language.
ka ba pra
And I hope that the government, members in the opposition, would support the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule.
Okay, sir. Kindly conclude, sir.
Well, the government talks about development.
ka sorkar ka kran sha
Let me
phang ka roi
remind
ka
this
pa
house that
tungan pen kan mau ya kani ka yeng
or rather
baka
Meghalaya
shillong
is
ni kambha ban ong ka
one of
megalia
the famous
ka dei ka wei na ki
tourist
jaka jngo
destination.
kai ba pau nam bat
And
kat
while
ba dang
talking
ya
to
kran bat ki
friends
paralok
outside
shabar
the
ha
corridor,
kerpong jo kani ka
when they ask
yeng
me
haba
where do I come
ki
from, I
kili
say,
yanga
I come
nang
from
nu
Shillong.
ngawan
Well,
ngaong
Shillong is a
ngawan na
very
shillong
beautiful place.
oh shillong
I hope
kalong ka jaka ka ba
members
itenat
who've
bha
never visited Shillong
kilak
or
pertu
Meghalaya for that matter
nga kermen
would one day
baki
make
de
it a
khot ki
point
bam
to
julet cha
visit
shillong ni
Meghalaya.
megalia ha ka wei ka
But the
sngi
sad part
kin
is
lek
that
jngo ya ka megalia
Meghalaya
Hendai
is
ka
now
bas ngau
almost
si
52
ka long ba
years
ka
old.
megalia menta kala jandap
Unfortunately,
san pu ar snap
till today,
ngau si hadu
when we
kini
have
ki
an
sngi ngi
airport,
don ya ka
but an
ya ka
airport
kat ling sun ka ba bha
which
ka kat ling sun ka ba
is
ki
not
ling sun he
where
kimla pan
big
hiar
planes cannot land. Even though
ka jing shisha ka sa ba ka
fact
shillong
remains that
ne
Shillong,
khambha ban ong ka
rather
megalia
Meghalaya,
ka long kumba
is
phitip ka dei ka
has,
jaka ba
you
don
know,
ka ikhtiar
tourism
ba kraw
has so
ha ka
much
jing jngo
potential.
kai
Thank you, sir. Please continue.
Let me finish, sir. This is my maiden
kani ka dei ka
speech.
jingkran ban
I'll just
ningkong
take,
jonga ngan
few more
chushim
points.
sakatu ka ne ki mat
I just hope
nga
that
syukurman baka sorkar
the government,
katanat sorkar
concerned
badai
ministry
khmi kan yarap ya ka
would
jalla
help
ban pentikna
the state
baka ne ka kat
to
lingsun
ensure that
kan dei ka kat
this
lingsun
airport
ha ka baki
is an
lingsun ki
airport
ba he
where
kin la ban
large
hiar
plane can land. And finally,
bat ka bakhadu
so we've been
gilayakran
talking a
bon
lot
sa
about
phang ka
the
leakage ha ki exam
leakage, the exams.
nga kwa ban pen sngo
I
thu
would
e
like
ki
to
khot
draw
jong
the
ka ne ka
attention
yeng
of the
badon buram
members
badon
of
saka
this
wei pat
House
kamat ka ba kongsan ka ba
that
ngasngau kum ki de khot ni
there's
de
a lot
ban
of
shim
important
bat pek benya
issue which
ya
I
ka
feel
kat ba ngidang
as
shna ya ka
members we
an
should
ka ba
take
phitip kum
and
ka
look at it
CUET
seriously.
NIIT na ka banta ki sama
While
jongi
designing a policy,
Henry ka e ka banga
like
kwa ban
the
ong hang ni ka long
CBT
baswa bangin le
for-
bat
for
wanra
our
ya
youth.
kum ka ni ka an
What I want to say
nga
here,
tharai ka
sir,
long
is
ka ba
that
kongsan bha ban pentik na
before we
baki
do
center
come
ki
up
long
with
ki ba
such
biang
policy,
lam
I
kumta
think it's very
ke e ka
important
ba
to
ja ka
ensure
long
that
ka bas ngausi
that the centers are adequate, or the adequacy of the test center. Otherwise, what is happening I'm a teacher. It pains me when
ngadai
I come
unong
across
hikai kapen
students
sngosi anga
who
habang
have
ya kendu
to
iki khna school ki ba
put a
haban
stop to the
sange
career
ya ki jing
for
pule
the
ni ga
simple
jing wa
fact
de ka
that
kam
they have
namar
to
ka jing
travel
shisha kam
to
long ka basuk
far off
baki
places.
haban lech ki
Why?
jaka ki ba
Because
jingai
there is no
bandik le ya ki
test
ki tes
center in
balai
their place.
namar ba
But I
umdan ka
hope
jaka
that the
tes
government,
ha ka jaka
while
hajong ki
coming up with such
tinga
policy,
kermen
do
baka
keep this
sorkar
also in
kat ba
mind,
kadang
to
wanra ya
set
kum
up
kan ne ka
centers
policy
at
kan
every
bu ya
block,
kan ne ru ha ka
which
jing
would
tmu
be
ban
a
pen
great
yang ya ki
asset
center
to
haman la ki block
the
kumta kan long ka jingker khu ka bakrau ya ka jela bat kumju ru ya ka jat ben riu baro ka we khadu e ngan chu pen kut no da kan ka jing ong bat nga khot nga we re ki du khot jong kan ka yeng badon buram yang ini sedang bantai kumba ong une maya yang ini sedang bantai tungin yang syakmat bat bu shadin ya ka jing snow party bat politik tungin kiu shajrong joga jing snow jat ben riu ni jing snow ya kan yam bat tungin tai ya kan ka jat ben riu ladangi kwa ban yo I ban pen roi ya kari India agar pad ya uwei pa uwei ban kan mau ban yang jat ban tai ya kan kari bat ka jat ben riu ka bakrau